And we are live. Today is 4th of September, and this is AmericasScrum. Not too many people here, only Amal, Sampriti, and me. But anyway, let's start. Well, Sampriti.
I didn't do much this today. I just spent like the last hour or so working on like a new feature for the Slack bot, which is like currently you see when let's say you start with the Hangout, when Slack bot posts the message, it's just the username is Slack bot and then the icon is just a helmet, right? Uh, what I was working on is to make it so that like when the message is posted, it will show your name and it will show your icon, so people can recognize who started the hangout. Such as in this case, it's you. So
Mm-hmm.
that's this feature a story I was working on. There is a
Very nice.
feature for it on Quickly Tracker, but like it's not been voted upon. So I was thinking of having it voted in this Scrum, but since there are not many people, I don't know if it's possible or not. I was hoping it could be voted so that I could start work because I and Yaro were thinking to get it merged along with the live sessions. So it needs to be finished as soon as possible. But like it needs to be like as Thomas mentioned in the chat that he would like it to go through, like he would like the workflow to go through like every aspect should go through Pipkin. So it needs to be voted and then started, and then only you can submit a pull request. So, do you think it would be good to vote a story in this case, or should I wait?
To
I mean,
road? Yeah.
I guess I could wait till tomorrow's Euros come, maybe. I
Mm-hmm.
think. I guess there'll be more people then, so I should wait.
Well, but you can write story anytime you want and put it in Icebox.
Yeah, I have, but like, I mean, unless it's voted, I can't start on it, right? Like, I can't submit a pull request unless it's voted.
Oh, okay. Okay, then it's better to ask it on Euroscrum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's it. No plans, no blockers. Just go to bed.
Uh-huh. Okay. Amal?
I didn't do much except getting my environment all set. I'm going to reward myself with cake for fixing this bug, and I did sit in on a another pairing session with John, and this time Christian, and we came upon we realized that there's going to be a large fundamental change to the event class, and as we went about it, we all feel that this really needs to be addressed, and we're going to run it by Tom and see how we can proceed.
Mm-hmm.
There are really no blockers, and I have no plans but to eat cake.
Mm-hmm. So all your work is around website one, right?
Yeah, for the time being. I've also been thinking about this new venture by Yarrow,
Community portal.
the community portal. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I have some ideas. I've run it by him, and I'm really excited about it. I'm actually very, very excited about it, and I'm hoping we can kick off when you return.
Yeah, I hope to. I know maybe Yarrow created a story in your project for Hangout updates, you know, about playing poker. Did you see it?
About playing poker?
Yeah, did you see it?
I did not see that. No.
Uh,
Playing poker.
yeah.
I hate poker unless there's money
Really?
involved.
Really?
Very interesting.
You should get used to it. We use playing poker almost every day.
Where is the story?
Well, I don't know. He told me that Amal working on, I think, that project created in Agile Ventures about the Hangouts update.
Oh, I think it's workspace on air.
Workspace on Air, yes. And yeah, I have discussed, yeah, playing poker for scrums. Yeah, that's it. Not story, but just an idea to realize that addition, so we can can do playing poker not by putting the numbers in chat and and type them all together, but to use some kind of cards, to do that, so it may be more interesting and more productive in this case. What?
I think
Yeah,
I prefer blackjack.
blackjack. We can do blackjack. But what I found actually, I just thought that maybe playing poker, because it's quite a popular thing, maybe. Hi, Brian. Maybe we have it already. Someone created it, and actually I found that 2 or 3 years old feature playing poker for Hangouts, and I don't know if you see it or not, but I can play in it and put cards here. For example, that I don't know. Do you see cards? No, nothing.
I just see the other your Agile Venture website with
Ah,
many tabs.
so you don't see playing poker. Okay, okay. So it is somewhere here. I installed that Hangout. I installed that program from Nearsoft. That one. Install Planning Poker for Hangouts, and it works for me. I don't know. Maybe we can try sometimes to do it, because it's actually quite interesting thing. We just never did it before, never used it before. Okay, as for me, oh, Brian, your turn, man.
Hi guys, sorry I joined a bit late. Since yesterday I haven't been doing much, been quite busy. I'm unfortunately missed the website 1 developer meeting, so I need to try and catch up on that. So I'll try and get in touch with Thomas, or unless anybody here knows what happened, any significant.
Yeah, I was there. Like, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Okay, hello. Yeah, hello,
Oh, yeah, your voice is very low.
hello,
We
hello.
can hear you, but it's really low.
Pavel, can you just boost my volume maybe in the control room? Pavel, can you boost my volume in the control room?
I
That
can,
seemed to
but
work.
it's only for me. For me, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay now.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
something
I like
changed.
yesterday we are mostly discussing about like with John, and I guess Amal was there in a pre-meeting about like we were thinking about how to refactor the events model, I mean redesign the events model, and
Uh-huh.
we came up on solutions that we would have different models, like it would need some renaming, and like John has created some stories. I don't remember exactly, but it was some about like renaming the Hangout model to like it should become event instance, and then there would be another model for the schedule, and
Right?
another thing would be that instead of like generating the event schedules on the fly, we would lazily generate the events, so like upcoming events could be edited in advance and all that. So like right now what we do is we just call event.schedule, and then we get the upcoming 10 events or 5 events for that 5 occurrences for that particular event. But like what we would do now is that we would like have a background job or whatever or something like that to generate the event instances for a particular event schedule, like the next 5 instances. uh, so that was one decision, and then we did also vote on some stories, like if we have a look at 1 minute, just a second. We have a new member, he should be joining now.
Okay. Yeah, I saw in the chat.
Okay, Brian, anything else you want to say
Also,
us?
yeah, just one thing. So we also voted on a number of stories, and we like the editor for project's description, and then redesign for the project's page, and then the event stories, and then rank projects by GitHub commit count. That's
Mhm.
mostly it. Um, Not much other than that. It was a short meeting.
Okay. Do you know if there's anybody who picked up new stories or
Yeah, so
volunteered?
like we had a new member called Luisa.
Uh-huh.
So she took up the story rank projects by GitHub commit count, and we are supposed to pair on that tomorrow.
Okay.
And
Good.
we have, let me see. So there was another story about the site introduction screencast, and I think Thomas and Christian will pair on that in an hour at 7 UTC. You guys
Okay.
want to you could join in that,
Yep.
and uh, other than that, the ad search functionality that's assigned to that is assigned to Wood. What is his name? I forgot his name. I don't remember. But it's the WWUT377. Joseph Wu. So he's working on that.
All right.
So welcome, Oteng.
Yeah. Welcome.
Hello, Tank.
Can you hear us?
Okay, Brian, go on.
Well, apart from that, no, there's nothing else. Probably have a look at all the new stories that's been added and voted on, and check any pull requests that are still waiting.
Okay. Okay. So, Oteng, do you want to say something to us?
I just joined, so you guys continue. I'll be listening in.
Okay, but actually we can hear you, so you can introduce yourself and say us about your background, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I am Otin Kwakwameni. I live in Ghana. I am a professional teacher and also an IT fan. I actually started with Node.js. I am good in Node.js. I am good in Backbone and all those MongoDB and the rest. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And why we decided to join Agile Ventures?
I joined because of edX program, the software engineering using service um, 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 using Ruby on Rails and SAS. Basically, that's why I joined it. I just want to really better my skills in software engineering and be a part of a community and be able to also develop something, contribute something, and at the end of the day, come out with some knowledge. Yeah.
Okay, great, fair enough. Okay, welcome to our community. We have Scrum, where we maybe you know something about it. It's when we describe what everyone did during the last day and what are the plans of his or her, and if we have any problems, we can discuss them. So every day we meet at the same time, and actually 3 times a day we meet and discuss that things. Okay, my turn now. Yesterday I participated in 1 or 2 scrums. I didn't count, and I discussed with Yaro that new project that looks like very promising if we had enough time to perform it. And for tomorrow and next week, I really don't know if I can or cannot do scrums or at least participate in them. I just need to decide what should I bring with me there and how much time I will have there. So I don't know right now. And that's it for me. Yeah.
By the way, Oteng, so I guess have you gone and registered on the agileventures.org site?
Yes. I've done that.
So if you go to the projects page, you will find a list of projects, which were like, I mean, if you open the projects page, we have these list of popular projects. For example, website one, local support, and we have Ostra support system, and then we have a few new projects as well, like the
Okay.
community portal. So these are our four more. active projects. So you can go through them, and if you find any one interesting, then maybe you can like attend another scrum, and like, which will be, I guess, tomorrow. And you can find the next scrum in the events page as well. So if you go to the events page, you can find the next scrum. And
Okay.
also, like, if you go on the right sidebar, on the left sidebar where the channels are listed in Slack, you will find something like plus a number more. So if you click on that, you will get a list of channels to join. So you might want to join some channels, some of the project channels, to get like, and then you can ask some questions about the project there.
Okay, okay.
Cool.
I have actually joined website one. I've actually joined that project. I am very much interested in it.
Okay. Oh, hello. Well, my name is Brian, and I am the technical lead of Website One. So, what is your interest in? What do you want to gain out of joining Website One? Just curious.
Um, First of all, I'm actually thinking of building a school management system, a school management software, and 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 I can see website one as being similar, although it's not the same thing, but the technologies and the skills used in website one, I can actually use it to implement that idea.
Right. So, how familiar are you with Ruby on Rails?
Um, um, I'm not very familiar with it. I have only 1 week knowledge in.
Right.
I started learning Ruby on Rails 1 week ago.
Okay. No, that's perfectly fine. Many people who join don't have a lot of experience with Ruby or Ruby on Rails.
But I'm good in Python. I am very good in Python. So.
Okay. Well, Python and Ruby. They're not that similar, but the concepts are pretty same. Yeah. But yeah, I'm sure you'll be able to pick it up if you have JavaScript and Python experience. It shouldn't be a problem to pick up Ruby.
Okay.
Cool. Right. So, what is your plan now then?
Me.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Everyone, go on. I'm listening.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. So I think the best way to start is to get familiar with the code base. So ideally, do you know where our GitHub repository is for Website One?
Yes. I do have a Git repository, and I'll be forking the codes after Scrum.
Yep. Cool. Another good thing you can do is perhaps join a pairing session. I believe Thomas will be working on Website One in about an hour, right? No, in half an hour actually. So yeah, Thomas is the project lead of Website One, so it's good to have a chat with him as well, and also pair with him, and he can teach you about, he can show you around the whole code base basically. Yeah. And he can also perhaps give you a story you can pick up and you can practice on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, any questions, ideas, suggestions?
Oh no, it's the end of the Scrum.
Okay, well, Brian, if you can give me an advice of good telecom operator for 1 week or 10 days in London, I will be really appreciate
10
it.
days, huh? I don't know, just...
Really? You don't know?
I'm not entirely sure. I think the best to go for is obviously pay-as-you-go, but I don't usually use pay-as-you-go. You just top up. I don't usually use that. I use contract.
Contract. Because, well, mostly I will use it for internet.
Just for internet, huh? Okay.
Mostly for the internet. Yeah.
Right, and you'll be in London. Maybe there's a phone company called Tree. I think, yeah, they're pretty cheap. they can probably offer internet.
Okay. I will.
The only problem is perhaps coverage and reception, but since you're in London, it should not be a problem, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one suggestion.
You
Okay.
could have Sam because he lives in London, so
Yeah.
he might have a.
Sam probably knows much more than me.
Yeah, okay, I will ask him. Okay, guys, thank you, Van, and see you later.
Yeah, please, can I get the name of the project leader for Scrum again? For website one.
Thomas and myself, we're both leads in website one, so you can ask me anything as well. Yeah, unfortunately,
You will be doing per program, and I wanted to join.
Yeah.
That's why I can chat to the person. Yeah.
Yep. His name is Thomas, and if you join the website one Slack channel, I think he made a couple of comments there. You should be able to find his name. And he should be up in about half an hour, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, Van, let's call it a day.
All right.
And have a good evening, everyone.
Okay.
Right.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Yep.
Bye bye.